So rather flying under the radar is the Reggae Girlz getting demolished in a 2-game friendly series against Mexico in Mexico. This is a big eye-opener going forward. Now with the USA and Canada as established powerhouses from the CONCACAF region, after back-to-back World Cup qualification, it looked like the Reggae Girlz were ready to consolidate their position as the third big team in the region. Flashback to when the girls qualified for their first World Cup. They did it at the expense, or at least ahead of Mexico. So the Mexicans obviously have been doing some work and positioning themselves properly in the CONCACAF food chain. Reggae Girlz fans can, however, take some comfort in the fact that talismanic captain and leading goal scorer Khadija Bonishaw did not play these 2 games. So technically, the girls were not at full strength. So in that, let us definitely take some comfort.